Om Shanti. Today, 17th of September 2021. Let us listen to today's Murli. Essence. Sweet children, be dead to the awareness of your bodies, that is, break off your love for old impure bodies and have true love for the one Father. Question. What natural beauty do you children have at the confluence age? Answer. To remain constantly decorated with the jewels of knowledge is your natural beauty. The faces of those who remain decorated with the jewels of knowledge bloom like flowers in happiness. If there is not happiness, there must definitely be some habit of body consciousness, from which all other vices emerge. The Father says, remember me, Alpha. Shiva is just a point. When businessmen write a zero, they say Shiv. They would add a zero after one and it becomes 10. Then another point and it becomes 100. You also have to remember Shiv Baba. To the extent that you remember Shiv Baba, accordingly you become very wealthy for half of the cycle. Baba says all human beings go back empty handed, whereas you have to go back with your hands full. The Father has explained that when there is purity, there will also be peace and prosperity. The Father says you can go to the land of Krishna, but only when your souls become Sattva Pradhan from Tamo Pradhan. The Father says never indulge in vice. If you develop even the slightest taste for vice, it will increase. Baba is giving an example of a smoker. Just like someone smokes a cigarette once, he is colored by that company, and it then becomes difficult to break that habit. They make so many excuses. You must not start any habit and you must stop all bad habits. Baba says deities are always offered pure food as a bhog, so you should also eat pure food. Baba says you children should have a lot of intoxication that Baba has now come to take you back. The Father says lust is the greatest enemy. This is why Draupadi called out. The Father says listen to me alone and relate this Srimad of mine to others. The Father says every jewel is worth hundred of thousands of rupees. Blessing. May you be a constantly powerful soul who makes the atmosphere pure with your elevated attitude. Those who remain constantly stable in their elevated attitude cannot be shaken by any atmosphere or vibration. Any atmosphere is created through your attitude. If your attitude is elevated, the atmosphere will become pure. Some say, what could I do because the atmosphere was like that, and because of that atmosphere my attitude was disturbed. At that time, instead of being a powerful soul, you become a weak soul. Therefore, make your attitude powerful with the awareness of your promise and you will become powerful. Slogan. To become an obedient of virtues and make everyone an obedient of virtues is to be a great donor. Om Shanti.